Okay, beautiful people, we're in Port Antonio again and we are at the Gazebo Bar and Grill. Gazebo Bar and Grill. And here we go. This is one of the most popular spots in Port Antonio. It's just on Allen Road and the seaside here, okay? And this is where you come and have your original Jamaican food, our international cuisine we have here naturally. Yes, we do have everything from scratch, all right? And we're gonna go and see the big man inside. And as we say, at Bottom Kitchen. Yes. Okay, as promised, Bottom Kitchen again. We're going inside to see the big man and Mr. Gazebo, the master chef. Yeah, internationally known as Briggy the boss. Look straight at the camera, Briggy. All right, Briggy.
Yeah.
I check all your thing and man, you've been doing great. All right, and now it's the festive season, Christmas time. And we want to know, the whole world want to know, what's going to be on your menu for Christmas the 25th, man? At home or at abroad? Well, here and abroad. Want to know?
Here and abroad, want to know. You know,
yes,
the Gazebo is a really 5-star dining kitchen that we flexibilize the menu. So we give you a little bit local culture and also international culture. But for Christmas Day, I will twist my hand a little bit and give you some barbecue pineapple chicken. And also some oxtail. Out of it, we have some pumpkin rice with some different type of salad. We make salad from scratch, like we use a pasta salad with a tropical vinaigrette, with pumpkins and all this stuff. And the vinaigrette we use literally like cucumber or mango or papaya or one of them stuff, just to mend back with the flavor of the festive season.
Beautiful. Briggy, man, that was a moment and great, and it's good to know that I met you up. I meet up on you today. Naturally, because I've been searching for you. What a man, you're good gold. But here what happened? You are the prime of our parish, and a pleasure meeting you. And I hope I'll see you sometime soon around.
Thank you very much.
You have anybody out the door that wants hello to America?
Well, I want to big up all of my friends and my families, them and all the well-wishers, them and the supporter for the Gazebo for the past 17 years. So just thank you very much for coming to the Gazebo Cook Shop on a daily basis to enjoy our wonderful delight. So just big up everybody, you know, all the police and the civil servants and all of my customers, them. Just big them up.
And as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, gonna take it to you. Pat Bottom.
Pat Bottom.
Beautiful. I appreciate that, yes?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Pat Bottom Kitchen, we're in Port Antonio and we're doing Port Antonio and we're doing all these small business. And you know, now we're at INS Place. INS Jerk Center, you know. Jerk Place. INS. And this is the big man, Mr. INS. Him right here looking at us.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Mr. INS. Open your pan, make a see what go on, man, because you don't know we're up on the road. And we're in Port Antonio and look what the man have. Look here, people.
Yeah, man.
Listen, man, we have the real jerk chicken and we have jerk what? Jerk chicken back and chicken neck. Yes? Yeah. And INS, I take it to the people just like how you see.
Yeah, man,
original and the man, the gizzarda.
Yeah.
Alright. Originally, what you do every day? Like on a daily basis? Tell me what you do every day.
Every day we just come out, deal with jerk chicken, with jerk chicken neck,
yes,
gizzard,
yes,
and chicken back.
Yes.
Understand? We have some bread. We're not on a festival today, but we do it festival.
And when I breadfruit, you do breadfruit too?
Yeah, with the breadfruit and fried flour.
Alright. Yeah. Mr. INS, you want to ask now, festive season, Christmas time.
Yeah.
What is on the menu for Christmas Day, man? Talk to the people.
Well, as usual, same badness. Jerk chicken back, jerk chicken neck, and jerk gizzard.
Alright. Now go twist your head now, you know?
Yeah.
Right? You go twist it now. Yeah. Where you cook a yard? Where you cook home?
Well,
look on the camera and tell them.
You know what, tell the truth. You think different still.
Tell you what I want.
Rice and peas,
yes,
goat,
yes,
beef, pork, and
hey,
everything there.
What about drink? What for drink?
Alright, probably just a bottle of soft champagne.
Hey, Christmas we turn up. Christmas turn up. Yes, mommy, big up yourself. She gonna do the cooking. Alright, what she got? She got. Alright, big up yourself. Little one, what she there? She got. Alright. Yes, as we said, we appoint on her and we have featured a small business. Alright, see look at Queen coming here. Hello there, she coming up. She have 2 phones. Yo, Bill Gates. She have 2 cellular phones. That's who I go on. Yes. Hello. Jesus, peace.
Yeah, man, we have to go over there.
What's the name? Aki Tree Bar?
Yeah, Aki Tree Bar. So you know you can buy
Where's the Aki Tree Bar? All right. So listen, people. One on the left, yourself. Right at the Jerk Center. Right. SCS. So then a SCS place. See her there? Bumbrook Bottom. Bumbrook Crescent. Yes, man. We done here. So you want to know SCS. I know you're on the restaurant still, but you want to know what we want to know for the December. Yeah? To our date. 5th, 6th? 4th of the month. 25th. What's going to be on your menu for the 25th of December? Let's hear from the people. Yeah, where you cook? What you have in mind? Jamaican style. Tell me.
Alright, I'm thinking about curry goat and oxtail, which is so expensive anyway, but you know, once a year, so yeah, go try a thing now.
Save up the money for do all that.
Yeah.
So we say curry goat and oxtail. What kind of drinks you have?
Well, sorrel are regular, so sorrel.
Sorrel, Christmas drink, Jamaican famous Christmas drink. Yeah. So here we have it from SCS. She gonna, listen, oxtail, expensive, she a deal with, she ain't a joke. And talking about that, our kitchen is right around the corner, Bumbrook Crescent, away from Vibes Bar. You can see it on the corner, okay? Check her out, SCS. On the roll for the New Year's, alright? Merry Christmas. Anybody you want to send greetings to?
Oh Lord. Okay, I'll say greetings to my church family, the Limit Zion Church.
Beautiful.
Family across Jamaica and the USA.
Alright. Thank you, SCS. And I'll talk to you on Christmas Day. Coming for dinner. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. and Pat Bottom Kitchen gonna come your place. Who's gonna come your place?
Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Okay. This now. I like how my food.
You know?
I know you're not kill me this morning, yeah.
Corner restaurant. Corner cook shop. Huh? Corner cook shop and corner restaurant. What's the name again?
SCS.
SCS. SCS. I do all thing. Okay? So see what food look like there? Big up yourself, SCS. So you do your thing. Pat Bottom Kitchen. SCS style this one. Okay? Okay, you know what happened? This are the boss, you know. See him on the street? You know, he man in patty pan, you know, and in bicycle. This is how the thing started. Mr. Thompson, say hello to the people and tell them how I go on. They're on the road today.
Yeah, man, we're on the road.
Yeah, man, this is a surprise to the people. I tell you, so like, all it. Daddy D's, the man, you know, my feature Daddy D's right there and see man live on the living colors, open. Live on the living colors. Today, I do party, yes? That's what I go on Mr. Thompson, open up. Yes, man, the bar's done. Meatloaf, patty, cocoa bread, patty bread, everything. What you have there?
Veggie loaf and
Veggie loaf,
ackee loaf
and
beef patty.
And beef patty. Veggie loaf, ackee loaf, and beef patty. As we said, Mr. Thompson, the big man, you know we do him thing already. And see him on the road, I do him thing. As we tell you, original. To the patty pan there, I'm going to catch somebody on the road long time. See boss there? Go through Mr. Thompson and do your thing. Alright? Alright, as you say, we under the big tree at Port Antonio, yes? And we know we not left Porty, we not left out Porty gone nowhere. And when you talk about under the big tree, you come down here so. You're going to find the big pot too, you know. So I see the big pot here. I was a Pat Bottom Kitchen, I take you there. See the big pot there? And with a Bobo place. And Bobo, the master man, will deal with the soup business. Mr. Murray. You hear about Mr. Murray? Right in front of Upper Lane. Him the right here every day. From your youth, I saw this man there. And see him deal with him soup here. And the big pot. How many pot, Bobo? This is what I want. Mr. Murray. And the beef pot this. When you come to Portland, see the beef soup pot here. Right aside there. Mr. Murray. Right aside there. So here we are going now. Sir Murray. Alright? So Sir Murray. Festa season. See the man here, the big man this. Festa season. And you know, so we have to cook for Christmas. So, what we are dealing for the Christmas menu? What upon the menu for Christmas?
Christmas menu and coasting and beef. We're going to get enough turkey and carrot and tomato with yellow yam and pumpkin and everything.
Yes, so that we are talking about. Christmas Day. So, what are you going to drink? What upon the menu for drinking? What's drinking?
You know, we like a little white rum and I feel it, you know. When you're on the fire, you can more than the rain, you have the rum to boost up yourself.
There you go, man. I tell you.
Yeah,
so, listen, as we say, we're at the place. We are the big tree in front of Upper Lane at Port Antonio, and we are featuring Mr. Murray. And as we say, see the big pot here. Portland with the same way. And the big pot is right here, so alright. So we're going to pass down one soup, Mr. Murray place. The big pot. All right. And as we say, pot bottom kitchen. I take it to the people. All right. Small businessman. With this. All right. Small businessman. That we are doing. How much years is that?
34 years.
Mr. Morris, him do it for 34 years. And see the big pot, yeah? It gets shiner and shiner each day you go along. It's unbelievable. All right. Father Murray. Blessing. And there's anybody out there who wants to send the greetings to Christmas time or whatever?
I want to send greetings to my family, them, you know.
Yes.
A long time I see them and through the Korean and I can't get to move on now.
All right.
Just
All
move
right.
from the shop to the pot, I never know further.
From the shop to the pot.
Yeah.
Big talk.
Yeah.
Real talk. All right. Mr. Murray. You talk to the man one time. All right. As we say, there you go. Pot bottom kitchen. The people. Pot bottom kitchen again. Now we are in the banana place. This is where you come and get your Lacatan green. Which one again? Your Robusta green. Another one with the next one name. The new one we then come out with. Fiat green. Right there so. And when we say banana place, yes, this is Maxine's place. Maxine place, and we have ripe banana too. Look at that. We have the ripe one. We have pumpkin. We have a little thing going on here at Maxine place. Outbound Allen Road, just in front of Harper's Lane. Alright, and this is Maxine place. And the lady at the moment is right here. Maxine. Let me see. COVID, you know, so she have on her mask. Alright, put on your mask if you have done your mask. You can't have your nose alone, you know. Over your mouth alone. Alright, Maxine, how you doing? How are you? Not too bad. Look at the camera and talk to them, man. Because Pat Bottom Kitchen coming out here and, you know, try to promote the young entrepreneurs of this little parish here. And this is Maxine right here now going to tell us what you're going to have for Christmas dinner. Maxine, what is on your menu for Christmas dinner? Talk to me.
Just a little rice and peas.
There you go.
Yam and banana to the side.
All right.
Chicken.
What kind of chicken you're going to have?
Eat your best chicken.
Aye.
Yeah, your pork, you know?
All right. Roast pork or stew pork?
You have pot roast pork.
All right. For Christmas.
Yeah, with little fish. Right at the seaside. We have the seaside here, so
Why,
little fish.
Christmas, everybody have everything,
so,
you know.
You know, Christmas you have to put together, everything together, and with family eat up.
Family eat up.
Yeah.
What about the drink? What's going to be drinking?
Yes, you know, you have style.
Aye.
Yeah,
What about the white rum? Anybody talk about the white rum?
you can't put
One shot.
You can't put the corn in style, man.
All right, junk out the pit with them, done.
No, the big people are different.
All right,
Yeah.
all right,
Yeah,
all
man.
right, cool. Maxine, anybody out there in America, anywhere at all you want to send a little greetings to?
Yeah,
Tell me, man. Anybody in America, tell me. New York.
my uncle
London.
Deli. My uncle Deli, I want to say greetings. Hi Deli,
Okay.
I'm Maxine here. Selling
Okay.
banana.
Okay.
Okay.
Say hello to Uncle Deli in, what,
Yeah.
where is he?
In England.
In London, England. All right, here we go. Maxine taking it to the world with her little stall right here. Look at it. Banana. Come on. This is what it's all about. Young entrepreneur. Maxine taking her thing to the world. All right. So it's good to have you, Maxine, and I'll talk to you on coming for Christmas dinner, you know.
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming for Christmas dinner. All right.
Yeah, thank you to have me.
Yes, man. Thank you, Maxine. Again, out. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say that. As we do it always, we are in Central Hub, Port Antonio. And this is, as we say, Mom's place, Mom's restaurant. Yeah? We deliver to. So here we go. That's our number right here. All right. And here we go. We are in Central Hub. And we're going to look for the lady. We're going to look for the lady who control all of this. All of the goodness. All right. And we're going to meet Miss Moms. All right. We're going to go for her. She's right here. So here we go. Hello. Hello, Moms. How you doing?
I'm good.
Beautiful. How's the Christmas going?
It's good, giving God thanks.
I have a look at your menu a while ago and it's awesome. All right. And today, what you have on the menu today, Moms?
Well, today we're going to have tripe and beans,
Beautiful.
pork, baked chicken, fried chicken, rice and peas,
And that's every day.
and vegetable.
Every day for 7 days or 5 days? 6 days a week?
No,
Or
it depends on the days.
and what's your hours that you open?
My hours, breakfast, we start serving breakfast from 6 until 10 or 10:30. And then lunch will begin after. So maybe sometimes lunch is a little bit earlier, like from 10:30 to 11, depends on, you know. Sometimes,
Beautiful.
You know, yeah.
Yes.
Go on until 4:35.
Beautiful. And the menu is varied.
Yeah.
Just come to Mom's place and she sorts you out, all right? So what about Christmas? It's all the way just around the corner, naturally.
Yeah, it's around around the corner.
And what is going to be on the menu for Christmas? Hey.
I'm planning to let my customers enjoy some free sorrel drink.
Yes.
And Christmas cake.
Christmas cake.
We're going to do ham.
Uh-huh.
They're going to get that, you know, on their, when they order.
Uh-huh.
Get a slice of ham.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, piece of cake, and they're going to have their cups. Where they can just take the cup
Get the
and
drink,
get
pour the drink. All right.
rice
So
and
that
peas,
beautiful. Hey.
soup pork,
Hey.
fried chicken.
May I tell you?
baked chicken.
Talk to them now. and,
Yeah.
and you're in mom's place right there. Okay. So that's the lady. That's the culture behind the scene. Okay. That's the beautiful lady right there. And we're talking about the culture. Great Jamaican food. All right. So come and see us for Christmas. Moms of all that. And there's anybody you want to say hello to abroad? Talk to me.
Well, I want to give some shout out to my relatives abroad, my mom, my sisters, my nieces, my nephews. Yeah, abroad, my husband who unfortunately can't come home at this time.
Oh my word.
Yeah, so
Daddy, everything all right?
yeah,
She's in good place, all right?
shout out. And to all my customers that support me throughout the year, God bless them. And I pray that we will all go through this year until 2020.
Now you hear it from the lady at the moment. That's moms, all right? And to God be the glory.
Great
Come
things he had done.
and see moms, all right? We're here, one out. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say it, mommy.
Bye bye.
Pat Bottom.
Love you, Pat Bottom Kitchen.
There you go. Here you go. Pat Bottom Kitchen. And we are in mom's place. Central of mom's place. And here we go. That's her menu that she worked with for the day and throughout the week. Right, mom?
Yes.
Beautiful. That's her menu right here. Don't be shy, don't be scared. Come to mom's place and you're good. Central Hub. And here we go. That's our menu right here, guys. You can't get it better than this. What we have the tripe and bean. My word. Here we go. And we're going down the line with mom's place. All right, as we say. Here we go. We're in UV Bell Bar and Grill area. We got a restaurant here. It's in UV place and that's our menu right there. Look at it. That's our menu. Real Jamaican food again. You know, every corner we go, that's how we do it, okay? And Pat Bottom Kitchen is taking you this holiday to all these places, okay? So listen, UV Bell menu, I show you have it, all right? So we are stepping at the restaurant now. We're going to see the person who involved and our host. She's right there. Look at her. There you go. She's right there. And we're going to give her a little talk now, hear what she have on the menu for this Christmas, all right? So here we go, UV Bell Place. Have a look. It's a big place. Big. Yeah, and you have the nature of life right here. Look around. Close to the town, UV Bell Place, all right? Okay, here we go. And the lady that do everything, make everything happen right here. Good morning.
Good morning.
And what's your name, beautiful? Chrisanne. How is the Christmas going?
Alright, so far.
It's going good. Okay, here we go. Christian, what we are going around and we're promoting our small business, right? And you're one of the young entrepreneurs in Port Antonio. All right, and here we go. What we want to know, figure out now, what is on your menu for this Christmas?
Pat
I want you to look at the camera and tell Pat Bottom Kitchen what's going on. She laughing. Okay, what's going to be on the menu at home and at restaurant for this Christmas? Talk to me. Fried chicken, she said.
Curry foot, curry and bean.
Beautiful.
Stew pork, stew peas, barbecue fry.
Barbie fry.
Starfish.
Beautiful. So you have an entire menu for Christmas. Beautiful. Oh man, Portland people, we have it right here. If you don't want to cook, UV place, UV Bell Restaurant and Bar, the place to be. All right. So what about drink? What about the drink? What kind of drink? The Christmas drink. Yeah. You're gonna do from the bar. You're gonna do a Christmas drink. She have everything, you know. See that? Okay, but probably she have sorrel. You have sorrel?
Yeah.
You're gonna have sorrel. And what else? Some wine. You're gonna have something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who you want to big up abroad? Tell me. Anybody in America, foreign, at home? Big up somebody at home. Mommy, daddy, girlfriend, boyfriend, anybody, talk. Nobody at all? Okay, big up Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say it.
Big up Pat Bottom Kitchen.
There you go. All right, chef. The chef at the back and the chef will look through the glass and I watch you, but you happen. You'll meet the chef when you come by, okay? Good to have you. Bye. People, here we go. Still in Port Antonio, and we are at Gale Road. All right, just at the entrance of Gale Road, we find one of the cuisine that, you know, we've been waiting for a lot of time when we're in Port Antonio and we can't get it. And now you come at, where you come? Right at Akichi Restaurant. And we go inside Akichi Restaurant. Now we're going to tell you what's happening inside Aki Tree Restaurant. Okay. So here we go. One of the young entrepreneur of Port Antonio. When you come to Port Antonio, you want food to eat, hustle and bustle of the city, you come right here. Right at the Aki Tree. And when you say Aki Tree, we mean Aki Tree. See there? Big, strong Aki Tree. Been here how many years now? One of the oldest Aki Tree in Port Antonio, I might say. You see him fat and pretty? Yes. But beside Aki Tree, we have what? The Aki Tree Restaurant. Look at it, right here. Aki Tree Restaurant. And he said, welcome to Aki Tree Restaurant. And here we go. That's our menu right there. Yes? Them now left for them fried chicken. Them have them cow foot. And them have them stewed pork and stewed beef. Yes? Curry chicken and fish. Beautiful. Okay. Without more further ado, we're going to look for the lady. Where she is? And I think she's right here. Oh, that's the master right here. Hello there. Morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Yvette.
Vivette. Okay. You're the master for Aki Tree Restaurant, yes? The chef in control, yes? Beautiful. Okay. It's Pop Bottom Kitchen. And guess what happened? Young entrepreneur like you, we're looking for you people to highlight your business. And one thing we want to know in this festive season, what's on your menu for Christmas? Talk to the people and tell them.
So we'll be having a roast beef and curry goat and oxtail.
Roast beef, curry goat, and oxtail. That's Christmas Day.
Yes.
Beautiful. And what for drinking? If you have something for the
Natural
customers.
juice cereal.
Uh-huh.
Natural juice with the cereal.
You do breakfast?
Yeah, with the breakfast. Black and sausage,
Okay.
callaloo, Long Street chicken, and
The works.
salt mackerel extra.
All right. So what about, coming to anybody say about liver and banana? Christmas, no. Talk to me.
Yeah,
No?
kidney to liver.
Kidney?
Yeah, man.
Kidney,
Wild
liver and banana.
Yam dumpling, pumpkin.
All right.
fried
The menu is
dumpling.
vary, is it?
Yeah.
All right. So listen now. Tell me where you want big up America. England,
Yeah, we can
New
big up
York.
my brother, them,
Tell me
my
them.
brother, my nephew, Popsy,
Yes, man.
Sammy, Dennis, England, my hand,
There you go.
Beverly, my cousin.
And is it Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, is it?
Beverly, yes, and
Tell them, man.
yes, and Sheila.
Tell them Merry
Rest of
Christmas
them.
and Happy New
Merry
Year.
Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes.
Beautiful. And where we gonna find you? Tell me.
Aki Tree Restaurant. It's right at the entrance of Gale Road.
Beautiful. And Baptist Hill, right?
Right and back.
To your left. Beautiful. And you know what? Merry Christmas. I come for dinner now. I come for lunch. So let me know where I'm going. All right?
Okay.
Beautiful. Small, young entrepreneur, small business. And your name is?
Yvette.
Yvette. Here we go. Thank you, Yvette.
Yeah.
Pat Bottom Kitchen. Tell them.
Okay, Papa.